the engine rooms where I'm producing a private event. If you'd like to see the in-depth video about this space, click the link in the description below. Today, I'm doing all the event design and production, entertainment, and full event management. Let's get on with it. The transformation is all complete and we are ready to party. So what have we done? We've installed a stage, DJ booth, sound PA system. We've also got lighting, bar, furniture. We've also got our photo booth, large light up letters, dancers and musician. The caterers are here, everybody's ready to go. So all there is left to do now is celebrate.